Hey guys, Joey T2314 here once again, and I'm showing you guys how to make a bucket server. It's a little complicated, but you guys will probably get it. First thing you want to do, go to bukkit.org. Pretty simple and pretty plain. You guys can all do that, I'm pretty sure of it. Unless you don't have hands, then I'm very sorry for you. Okay, then what we're going to do is where it says recommended builds, you're going to go to recommended build 1000, or you might have to do git craft bucket or something like that. But since it's here today, we're just going to go right here. This will pop up, and then you're going to get this right here. You're going to click right here. See this right here? Right here? Right here. You're going to click on this. Give it a sec, and it'll download Craft Bucket. Okay. Then, you're going to go back to Bucket Forms. You can get this away. And then you're going to go to Get Craft Bucket. And you're just going to scroll down real quick. This is what you need. Just like on a regular Minecraft server, you also need something to run it. So we're going to need this right here. Right here. All the way to the where it says pause. Which I can't get at all. What is this? So you need to highlight all of this, including the pause, which I can't seem to get with me here. There we go. You're going to copy it. And then you're going to do what you need to do once okay, that's downloaded. Bring this here. Get a new folder real quick, put it in there, and let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do, first thing you want to do if you've tried this more than once, you want to get that 1 off of there. So you can rename it, and we got to get that 1 off. We don't want that. Good. So now we're going to run this real quickly. If you run it, then you have to like somehow stop and do something. Okay, so from here, we can't do anything yet because if you double click on this, nothing will happen. As you saw, I just brought up all this, which is good. To start, we have to do a batch file again. You have to do text document, new text document. You can name this as run, as I do, or something else. You start, whatever. And you need to paste that in there. This is what you need to paste in here. It's got to be pasted exactly like this. But here's the catch. Here, right in between program files and the percentage, right in here, you need, if you have 64-bit, you need to do slash, or not slash, in parentheses, you have to put x86, and then put another parentheses at the end like that, in between program files and the percent sign. As you can see over here in Bucket, it'll say exactly to do that. If you're running on a 64-bit machine, change it from program files like that to this. See? Right here is what you need to pay attention to. This right here. Make sure it's exactly like that. In case I screwed it up, you guys will know exactly what it needs to look like. And that would be right here. Down in here. So that's that part. So we got that. And I do have 64-bit since it is Windows 7. If you don't know what you got, Windows 7, 64. I think Vista's 32-bit. I'm not quite sure. You're going to go from there. And you're just going to do exactly like we did last time. You can go to Save As, All Files, and then you're going to do .bat right at the end there. We're going to save that. Once again, there's your batch file. Close this out. Run it. As you see, there's something already running on that port, which I probably have a server up or something. Actually, no. There's not even any server things in there yet. So you put in your IP. Real quick, put in your IP there. You put in online mode to false if you are using cracked, online mode to false. And if you need to know how to do the firewall stuff for Windows 7, then go to my other video about regular Minecraft servers. It's in that video. It's towards the end. You guys will just have to either bear through the video or skip ahead or do something. So that should be it for now. So I'm not going to do any of that. But what'll happen is it'll look like this. Let me just get my bucket server up real quick. This is what I got in here. Starting it up, and it'll look like this. It'll load it up real quick. Level 1, I'm pretty sure level 1 is the nether. Level 0 is the regular world. and I have a couple plugins in there. This is exactly, I almost forgot about that. I need to show you guys how to install plugins. Plugins are pretty simple. We're just going to go back real quick. Get plugins, same thing, bukkit.org. Go to get plugins. It'll give you a great list of plugins. It's pretty good. If you're looking for lock chest or doors, you're probably looking for Lockette, a simple way. You just put a sign right on it, and you put private, and then under that you put who can go into it. So Lockette is good for that. There's Essentials, which gives you a bunch more commands. Let's see, what's that other one? Starts with a P. I can't think of it right now. Permissions, that's it. That's also pretty good. We want to we'll do Magic Carpet since that's an easy one. Magic Carpet. Don't mind my spelling. Probably spelled it wrong. Nope, got it right. Okay, this right here. Magic Carpet. I don't know what this is. This looks fun. But it's for build 803, and I have build 1000. So, when we're here, this will bring us here. Now we need to download it. Download version 1.5, right down here. There you go. It's downloading here. Right at the bottom, we can close this out. We don't need that at the moment. Scroll over, drag it onto our desktop. And the plugins, they're pretty straightforward. We'll put it in here. That means I need to actually put my IP in, so I'm not going to bother blurring it out. 66.10.129, and we'll leave everything on. Save it right there. Right now, it is in the plugins folder, but it is not going to work right away. As you can see, if I do this, it's loaded up, yes. Or it might work, I'm not sure. I haven't done this in a while. Get into our Minecraft, logging in. And if I haven't told you guys before, this is great. The multiplayer menu. You can have a bunch of servers up there at once. Log it in, download and train. And what you have to do for this command is you do /MC, enter. See, no magic carpet. Oh, there you go. Use jump to go up. It's a little buggy. Jump to go up, jump to go up, and then, you just walk whatever direction. But for me, I don't know why, it just doesn't work. I never can understand why. It works for everybody else, but for me, it just doesn't want to work. So I gotta walk slow. But that's why I have Fly Mod. We got this for Dark. He has a Mac. He can't install Fly Mod. He doesn't know how. Flying on this server. Flying is not enabled on this server. Oh, God. That's funny, though. There's a skeleton over there. Yep, that was... I didn't have Fly Mod enabled, so... That's how you do that. And if you go back now to the plugins folder, real quick, there is a Magic Carpet config. This is just use, properties, false crouch default, true default size carpet, 5 glowstone for light in the center. These are all just, config, Magic Carpet. Can fly equals trusted users here, maybe here too, and I really can't explain it. I'm still getting used to all this stuff. So I think that's it. Let me scroll around and see if there's something else I need to show you guys. There are different plugins where you actually have to go into the what is it? It's not a jar file. It is a jar file. Where you have to go into that jar file right there. Not of Magic Carpet, but the Craft Bukkit jar file. That's for mods that really aren't endorsed by Bukkit. Like, there was the Plains mod. I tried it, didn't work. If anybody can see and if they can help me with that, I couldn't get it to work for some reason. But I think that's all, guys, and I'll see you whenever. Or not really see you, because I can't see you. Bye. No, I'm still here. Would you look at that?